Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Naata diri karon, it's because sa meeting ha, monthly meeting sa parents. Basi mo ingon mo ba? Sige lang sa si Arlene patawag og meeting oy, wadyo koy mahimo kay need sad namo i-rely ang gimitingan namo nga teachers. So, first is agendas, multiplication. Second is changes sa status sa student. Diba before, ang tawag nato sa ilaha special, elementary, then elementary regular, then high school, then self-study. Karon ma-change ni, iyako lang ni tagsa-tagsa discuss. Student attendance and proper hygiene. So, proceed sa sa multiplication. Nag-iingon nga, patas na ni. Dilal di bang kulba sa goy. Bato doon talaga ito. Amot lang sa to. Duwa ra po na bato na naglabirong pabuan na. So, parents, palihog ko kay ang multiplication, dili jud sa amo ha. Follow up ra jud mi. So, palihog ko nila og remind sa balay kay di ba jud makaingon ta kabalo sila ni abot sa actual kulbaan. Wa may kuan sa kulba. Second, mana ni changes. So level 1 sa una special sila karon special ang tawag pero 1, 2, 3 unsa special unsa may pasabot sa special 1 kadtong dili kabalo jud mo basa. Special to, kabalo mo basa pero dili kabalo mo sabot kung sa ilang gibasa. Special 3, kadto na jud kabalo mo basa, kabalo na mo sabot sila mo basa. Once ipa-explain mo sa story unsay pasabot, maka-explain sila. Ako jud silang giingan, wala bisayaon ninyo basta nakubad ninyo ang storya. Pero as possible, mas maayo mo practice mo English. Bahala ka English, dili straight kay kabalo kaya sa taong sa status ang ila. So nahitabo karon is ang capacity nako is 9 per session. 9 so 27. So enough ra sa student nako karon nga 27 jud ka buok. So hashasan si nako karon ang akong special kung kinsay mag-forward na ko diri sa special sa level 1 level 2. At the same time, sa akong high school, na ako'y mabackward diri sa level 2. Ako na silang gipangutana. Sa self-study, pwede na dili kami magklase. Kaya nga no, self-raman na sila.
Good afternoon, special class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Loida.
Okay, are you okay? Are you okay today?
Yes.
So, this afternoon, we have our...
Spelling.
Okay, spelling. Ready na mo siyang spelling sa iyong story?
Yes.
Makakuha ka mo. Okay, number 1. Spell the word ropes.
Good, sir.
Oh. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, number 2. Spell the word beats. Okay, number 3. What is the title in the story? Okay, number 4. Spell the word plight. Plight. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, number 5. Serious kayo mo do. Seryoso lagi kayo mo. Saman. Oh. Okay, number 5. Spell the word nod. Yes. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Next, number 6. Spell the word little. Little. Okay, are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay. Exchange notebook to your seatmate.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon. Happy birthday, Lilac Ning. Wishing you all health and stay happy. Enjoy your day. Kamsahamnida.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. Today, I would like to greet a happy birthday to Lilac Nim. I wish you all the best to have a good health as well as mind and body. Together with your family, with lots of love and care to celebrate together with your birthday. 감사합니다. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lilac Ning.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, today is Thursday, July 25. We will do our weekly task to memorize a story. And the title of the story is Cora. Then you first, Gina.
Kura. Kura is cow. It is a female cow. She has a bill around her neck and black spots on her body. She loves to eat grass and give milk. Kura is a good cow.
Next.
Kora. Kora is cow. It is a female cow. She has a bell around her neck and black spot on her body. He loves to eat grass and give milk. Kora is a good cow.
Next.
Kuba. Kuba is a cow. It is a female cow. She has a bell around her neck and black spots on her body. She loves to eat grass and give milk. Kuba is a good cow.
Next.
Kora. Kora is a cow. It is a female cow. She is a band around her neck and black spot on her body. She loves to eat grass and give milk. Kora is a good cow.
Next.
Kora. Kora is a cow. It is a female cow. She has a bell around her neck and black spots on her body. She loves to eat grass and give milk. Kora is a good cow.
Next.
Kora. Kora is cow. It is a female cow. She has a bell around her neck and black spots on her body. She loves to eat grass and give milk. Kora is a good cow.
Next, Mina.
Kora. Kora is a cow. It is a female cow. She has bell around her neck and black spots on her body. Kora is she loves to eat grass and give milk. Kora is a good cow.
Okay, thank you everyone.
You're welcome, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye! Labag ko sa mga sinilak na mo. Kan kaiglap naman. Bisa, kasi ayan lang po video na ko, bis. Nagtarong imong video, pero sini mo. Manti ka maglihok. Lihok ko naman.
Napastar good deh. Hindi ka mo ilok ano?